what's up, welcome back to another video. It's a girl Michelle. So as seen by the title down below, I'll be giving you guys an unboxing video today. So please, I'm asking you to make sure that you drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. Turn on the post notification bell so you never miss an upload every time I post a video. And most importantly, please remember to watch your ads. Also guys, please remember to be in touch with me on all socials at @Rush_Shella. So I'm gonna be placing my socials in my description box as well as my second channel, so make sure you all connect with me and subscribe to my second channel. So this is what we're gonna be unboxing today, right? So as you guys can see, this is a Christian Dior package. So this is gonna be a very quick short video, okay? So the Christian Dior package is from Timo store, okay? So that's TIMOSTORE store, okay? So I'm gonna be showing you all what we got in the package. So this is their card along with their WhatsApp, their Instagram, their TikTok, and their Gmail, which I'll be placing in my description box down below. Also guys, I'll be placing their album in my description box, so you guys can head over there and check them out. They sell a wide variety of things, okay? Right, so I'll open this and show you all what we have. So guys, this bag is a 26cm bag. See there, so it comes with a strap. I'm going to open it and show you all. So it have a good amount of space in there. It have a part here where you can put things in, and also a side part there. So this is a good bag. Good bag. And I like the texture of the bag. Love the texture of the bag. So I'll pull the strap, show you all the strap. So this is the bag strap. So you know, if it's a case where you don't want to bring the bag this way, you can put on the strap on the sides. Bring it this way. So, and next is a handbag, as well as it comes with this as well to put on the bag. So you guys can use my coupon code QUEEN so that you guys can get 15% off, right? So remember now, I said the album link will be in my description box, right? So you guys can just click the link in my description box and it will take you guys straight to the Timo store, okay? This is basically the end of the video. Tell me what you think of the bag, if it's a case where you would buy a bag like this, or if you know you'd rock a bag like this, because really and truly personally think it's unique. And you all know it's good to have different bags for different occasions, right? So this is basically the end of the video. Please remember to use my coupon code QUEEN so that you guys can get 15% off, and remember to click the link in the description so you guys can head over to the Timo store and you guys can see the different bags that they sell. So it's a girl Rush, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye.